pull up in foreign whips. Hey, touch your leg with my fingertips. You looking in that rear view. Yeah, do you listen, then you blow a kiss. It's something about the way that your silhouette do a pirouette, the form of two naked bodies in bed. Yeah, a beat sting only for a taste. The spring revives whatever went until you ever feel it was never real. Like everything we built was only time to kill. I never was the one to rely on. And if you're up, leave a light on. That's when you get so That's when you get so confused. That's when you get so. Yo, yeah, highlights. All my rap CDs to replay. Y'all been on that fuck shit that he say and she say. I've been stacking peso going broke as if I see blade. Y'all can wield the double cuss, bitch, I'ma wield the keyblade. And why the fuck I always got to be the hero? Deadly Viper, assassination squad, I'm heat kiddo. You know when I strike, I never been the quiet type. You get sliced with Japanese steel in broad daylight.
Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel, Gang Fam Squad, what is up? So, hood and fenders are done in paint. Just did not have enough time to pick them up over the weekend. We're gonna do a little self-care day with the cars, you know. Let's fucking get today going.
Am I chasing my shadow or am I chasing the sun? Yo.
I've been studying you. Your breathing gives away your next move.
What's up? Meet me after midnight out in the garden. The snow falls hard, be sure that your blade is sharpened. Battle harder than starving to prove myself amongst the illest. My energy level climbing, I know that you rappers feel it. I'm in Como rocking a polo kimono. My master found my stash, yo, they banished me from the dojo. Fuck the ego, I battle with the whole of my heart. If you harboring ill intention, then you doomed from the start. Staring on my kamehameha when I let it loose. When I check the microphone, the earth will quake up under you. Smoking trees, none of that CBDs. I'll control A, deleting all of your MP3s. All alone on this road, guess I reap what I sow. I don't know, guess I go where the river of life flow. Pull the pin out the mic and throw that whack in seas. I decimate any swordsman who dare oppose me. Yo.
I do not fear this new challenge. Rather, like a true warrior, I will rise to meet it. That's when you get so confused. That's when you get so.
Flow cold, it's an iceberg, yeah. I just smoke on this lemonade, on the beach, posted in the shade, I take a pour, all the sweet, I let the tide wash over my feet, sunsets up over the beach, as I burn this child, wanna leave. I got these bitches going crazy, they going crazy. You know you rappers fugazi, you're living lazy. I'm living wavy, my shit is low, it keeps calling motion. So baller, finesse your bitch and put her in some dough.
My fucking drill died.
Looking breezy, I smoke seed when you need me. I'm rolling trees, you up in the two-seat, I'm floater in the Rover. I'm sipping syrup in my soda. I'm smoking Doja, I'm smoking Doja. Pretty boy swag, yeah, I'm back up in this bitch with a whole gang of pretty ladies packed up in this bitch. Yeah, we been sipping act up in this bitch. Smoking backwards, back to back up in this bitch. Get it cracking in this bitch, never lagging in this bitch. Smoking bad too bad you wasn't fucking with me. Now I'm counting money when it's down through the city. Yeah, it's so sad I had to leave you on your own. And what they say is true, it's lonely at the throne. I don't hear a word of these people saying. I be with some girls and we getting faded. I don't got no time for no conversation. And y'all don't leave me.
Okay, so the cars are washed. I forgot how much work that actually takes. A couple things I'd like to mention before we are done with today's video. First of all, we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. That's fucking crazy. Imagine 5,000 people in this room right now. That's a banger. So we're about to hit 5K. I'm gonna say thanks to everyone that's helped me get there. Also, I want to say we have a new clothing drop / drop in general. That's gonna be coming out at probably mid-July. That's just gonna be sick. Here's a couple teasers. And last but not least, we are going to be picking up my hood next Friday and the fenders. We're gonna be putting that on next video. After that, front lip and a couple other key components for the Z, and then we're chilling. That is done. We are moving on to the GTR, supplying parts for the 370Z in the meantime. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this was kind of a filler video today, but I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. And we need to be more consistent with the uploads, more edits coming out, harder merch, harder cars, more subscribers, more fucking everything else. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching like always, and I'll see y'all next Sunday, same time, same place. So, Gang Fam Squad, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, buddies.
I feel like Donatello, made that Ninja Turtle purple, do a circle in my rello. Got my foot up on the pedal, pull that serpent, watch it settle. They just put the diamonds in the bezel. Boy, you better pray that I don't find a single friend to give. Talking about my gang, we leave you crying on these sentiments. My whole life I knew that I was made for washing dishes. Bitch, I'm different, stacking benches, bank account.